I just 7 brand new totally free apps that will pay you to watch a movie daily. Most of these apps are available all over the world and they really don't require any previous experience and they are available for both iOS and Android. Now I am going to be 100% honest from the start. None of these programs will make you a millionaire. One of these programs will let you quit your job, but if you're just trying to make more money online while watching videos on your phone, do it. It won't waste your time. The first app for Google Play Store is only for Androids, but it's called TubePay and basically it pays you to watch YouTube videos. The reason they pay you to watch videos to either those videos are just ads or they are educational videos, but the number there are a lot of ads on them. When you watch those ads, they basically just split the ad revenue with you. That's why they pay you, and that's another reason you don't really get paid that much. That's why you have to actually combine multiple programs to earn decent money. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. The next app is called Rewarded.tv. This app lets you get paid even while you're watching movies, so you can basically stream movies and get paid for it, and they work pretty much the same as before. So they basically just show you a bunch of ads. You have to skip those ads or just watch those ads, and they basically just split the ad revenue with you. The next app is called Vivi and it's another app and it's only available for Android, so it's available on the Google Play Store, and this is program that pays you to watch videos and ads. Now sometimes ads can be very boring and long and it takes a lot of time to go through them, but if you can start playing some videos, put your phone down and just let it collect some money for you. How we can withdraw money from this app? It's usually PayPal or other gifts. So if PayPal isn't available in your country, you'll have to choose from some of the physical gifts they can send to you no matter where you are. The next app is actually available for iOS and Android and it's called Coin2Play, which especially pays you in crypto. So you have to go to their website or just open their website on your phone. You can basically just click start earning. You can do a bunch of different things to earn free crypto and mostly free bitcoins. But one of the things you can do is just watch video and movie. It doesn't cost much any more to click on ads, which honestly doesn't require any experience or skills to do, and it's also completely free and available all over the world. The next app is called QuickRewards.net. It's an app that pays you to complete surveys, play video games, but also watch videos. There aren't many you can watch here, so they aren't very active, but when there are a few videos to watch, you can get cash fast, and unlike other apps, there is no minimum withdrawal for PayPal. As soon as you start earning $5 or $10 here, it's like having a cent in your account. You can instantly withdraw it to PayPal. The next app is called Lootup, and it's only available for Google Play Store, and it's only available for Android. And if you go here, you can actually get paid to complete surveys and play video games, which I highly recommend. Avoid them. They cost a lot because those surveys can really take a long time to complete. They are really boring. They ask you a lot of questions, and I just don't bother. And I'm just going to focus on these offers that pay you to watch at videos, because that's one of the easiest ways to make a real money with these programs. And if you combine several of them together, you can actually make decent money. But if focus on just one program, and you probably won't make much money. The last app here is called Video Cache. It will be Video Cache app. It's available for both iOS and Android, so it's available in both App Store and Google Play Store. And this is another app that you can use to watch videos or upload videos, and you get paid, so it kind of acts as a social media platform where you can make videos like you do on TikTok. Share, they're trying to kind of become a new social media platform. So what they're doing is they're incentivizing them to pay to watch videos in the app by paying them to upload videos. So they're growing fast. All these programs are completely free, so you can try all these 7 different ways to earn money by watching videos, and all these different programs that are available all over the world again.